VPP spokesperson Butskem Mirbor acknowledged that money and muscle power heavily influenced the outcome of the JHDC elections, making it a tough contest. However, he expressed optimism, stating that the VPP's presence in the region has already begun to change the political environment. The party secured 8 seats, falling short of its target, but believes that through political education and awareness, it will perform better in the future elections. Mirbor cited challenges in sensitive and hypersensitive polling stations as key factors for the party's performance.
That money power and muscle power prevented...
As per the reports that we received, yes, those play a very important role in this election. And but as I said, this intervention of the VPP has brought a lot of change in the in the political environment in the areas of the JHDC, and we believe that in the future, with the with the penetration of the VPP and with the political education, political awareness that the VPP would be bringing in the Jand Hills districts, we believe that one day we will be able to perform very well. But as I said, we express our gratitude and thankfulness to the people of Jand Hills